Good morning, Gulshan. Okay, question number 2. Here are the shadows of some 3D objects. उन्होंने नीचे आपको बताया है कि जो शैडो बन रही है वो किस शेप की है. You have to identify the solid, the three-dimensional object which could cast a shadow of this shape. सर्कुलर शैडो किसकी हो सकती है, स्क्वायर शैडो किसकी हो सकती है, ट्रायंगुलर शैडो किसकी होगी, रेक्टेंगुलर शैडो किसकी होगी. This is what you want to write down. Yes, Anand?
Why you were not letting me in?
Because it was class of 8th standard going on. I did send you a message on WhatsApp. Didn't you read that message?
No, ma'am.
I have sent a message to you on WhatsApp that I am taking class of 8. Your class starts at 11:15. It was previous period and I have that period in 8th standard. Sia?
Ma'am, there is written 3D objects, ma'am, but these are the 2D objects.
The shadows. These are the shadows of those objects. You have to tell what will be the solid, or we call it a 3D figure. किसकी shadow circular होगी?
Ma'am, ball.
Okay, that's good. One example could be ball. Arman?
मैम मैंने कहना था कि मैम सर्कल मैम स्फीयर की मैम नहीं शैडो नहीं है.
स्फीयर की शैडो है. वेरी गुड. आप कोई भी स्फीयर वाला ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. अरमान एक्चुअली इज प्रिसाइज कि जो स्फीयर होगा, any kind of sphere will have a circular shadow, but it's possible for other shapes also.
Ma'am, globe.
Globe. You're giving me example of a
मैम
sphere.
स्फीयर can be cube.
Square can be cube. That's correct. For square shadow, the object would be cube.
मैम triangle can be pyramid.
Pyramid.
Ma'am,
मैम
birthday cap.
rectangle cuboid.
Very good. Very good. Let me ask some other students. Anahad?
Ma'am, for the second, ma'am, it can be dice. Ma'am,
Yes.
for the fourth, it can be a box.
A box. A wooden box. Any kind of box. Okay.
And
Yeah.
ma'am, Egypt, ma'am, pyramids of Egypt.
Yes.
Shadow can form the rectangle.
Right. Right. Ananya?
Ma'am.
Yes, Ananya?
Circle.
Sorry?
A lid.
A lid. A lid could give a, yes. A lid of any utensil could cast a circular shadow. So if you had to give examples, there are so many examples possible, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for third, we can write cap or the birthday cap.
Cap. Very good. A cap.
Ma'am.
Yes, Gulsimran?
Ma'am,
For third, can we write cone?
Ma'am, it can. Ma'am, no, ma'am, cone can't be. Ma'am,
It is possible. It is possible if you put the cone down. Like for example, a cap, if you put the cap down, उसको हम lie down करवा दें, तो उसकी shadow triangular बने. Same way, अगर आप एक cone को horizontally place करो, right? अगर आप cone को इस तरह से रखने की बजाय ऐसे sleeping position में रखो, तो उसकी shadow क्या बनेगी? Triangular बनेगी.
Triangle.
What if the cone is placed, the weight is drawn, जो कोन की शेप होती है बिल्कुल उसको वैसे ही प्लेस करें सर्कुलर बेस के ऊपर.
Rectangle.
सर्कुलर बेस है उसका, शैडो कैसी होगी फिर उसके नीचे?
circle.
Circle होगी.
Ma'am, Ma'am, third question, both the answers are false.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Wait, I haven't even read the third question. Tell me if everyone has written this.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
ये मैच द फॉर्म में आ सकता है आपको क्वेश्चन. एक तरफ आपको सॉलिड शेप्स दे दें, फिगर्स बता दें, और दूसरी तरफ शैडो शेप बोल दें, एंड यू हैव टू मैच.
हमारा थर्ड चैप्टर शुरू करना है.
Anand, yes. Anand, you got to be little patient. थोड़ा सा patience. Yes, Hargun.
पेशेंट में कैसे आऊं मैम?
मैम डिस्कनेक्टेड. मैम आपने कुछ कराया तो नहीं?
No, beta, we have only done this question.
Excuse me,
Okay,
ma'am. Ma'am, for rectangle, ma'am, it can be rectangular door.
Yes, it can be a door also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And a photo frame.
Very good.
Frame for cube and rectangle both. Ma'am, it can be of all shapes.
Actually, the lamp is overhead. The lamp is on the top, so give the shape accordingly. If your object is casting a square shadow, all four sides should be equal. So if you're giving a photo frame, mention that the frame should be square. Square frame will give a square shadow. Rectangular frame will give a rectangular shadow.
Triangular and triangular will give triangle, and circular will give circle.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, in all we can write a photo frame.
Yes. Specify the shape and then you can give that example. Yes, Sia?
Ma'am, what is the shadow? Ma'am, shadow of a cup.
A cup. If the lamp is overhead, obviously it will cast a circular shadow. If it has a handle, rather than writing a cup, write a saucer. You can write on a
Ma'am,
plate.
glass.
Glass can be given. Opaque glass. It will cast a circular shadow.
So, ma'am, in the first we can write a glass.
मैम थर्ड क्वेश्चन की मैम दोनों पार्ट्स के आंसर हम फॉल्स है.
Examine if the following statements are true. This is page number 290. A cube can cast a shadow in the shape of a rectangle. The first one.
False.
False.
Ma'am, it
Are you
will
sure?
shape the shadow. Ma'am, no.
Square. Ma'am, square.
Ma'am, it will be rectangle only.
It can cast.
No,
It can cast.
Ma'am, but how?
It will depend on the position of the lamp. Light source कहाँ पे? I did discuss this on Saturday also. मैंने Saturday को ये discuss किया था. अगर light source ऊपर होगा तो उसकी shadow square होगी. अगर light source side पे होगा तो shadow लंबी हो जाएगी. In that case, it will be a rectangle. Second one, the cube can cast a shadow in the shape of a hexagon.
Oh, false.
This one is false. This is false.
ये हमने बुक पे ही लिखना है ना?
The whole exercise is on book.
Chapter is finished.
Yes, Chirag?
Ma'am, I want to ask that, ma'am, in the we have done question number 1 also.
Yes.
Ma'am, the table.
No, the first question was this one. Shadow draw करके बतानी थी shape.
Okay.
I hope everyone has completed this. There is one more question we want to do from this exercise. Look at this picture here. There is this monkey looking at a house. The monkey is looking at the house from the front, from the side, and from the top. So what kind of shapes will he see? Monkey को कौन सी shape नजर आएगी? अगर वो सामने से देख रहा है तो उसको ये pentagon सी shape नजर आएगी. Do you see it's a pentagon?
No.
And if he's looking from the side, this looks somewhat like this, right? It will depend on the shape. They are just giving an example here. अगर top से देखेंगे तो ये नजर आ रहा है. Two rectangles, right? On the top, the monkey can see 2 rectangles. Keeping this in mind, you have to complete this table. This is page number 291. आपको फिगर दी है, आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है, मैच करना है फ्रंट, टॉप और साइड व्यू किसका कैसा होगा. They have given it in the form of unit. उन्होंने इस तरह से ड्रॉ करके आपको दिया है so that it's easier for you to identify. I'm going to just mark it. Let us say this is the front. ये front है. Number 1, number 2 और number 3. 3 pictures are given. Out of these, which one shows the front?
And a rectangle.
The first shape, this shows the front.
Number 1.
What about the side?
Ma'am,
कितने square नजर आ रहे हैं?
ma'am, it shows square.
Only one square.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't understand it, ma'am. What is this table?
टेबल में मैचिंग करनी है आपको. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे आपको कुछ सॉलिड्स दिए हुए हैं, आपको उनके व्यूज आइडेंटिफाई करने हैं. लुक एट
We
दिस.
don't have to write
Ma'am,
their
these
views.
3 cubes.
नहीं, आपको क्यूब्स नहीं आइडेंटिफाई करनी है. आपको देखना, देखो जब आप साइड से देखोगे आपको 2 डायमेंशनल शेप नजर आएगी. एवरी टाइम यू व्यू एनी सॉलिड ऑब्जेक्ट, either from the front, from the top or from the side, you will be able to see a 2-dimensional shape. You have to identify that 2-dimensional shape. You are given 3 choices here, number 1, number 2, number 3. As you can see, out of these 3, which indicates the front, which indicates the side, and which indicates the top. This is what you want to identify. I'll do one part with you. Take a look at the second solid here. ये वाला consider करो. Look at the second solid. इसका जो front है, I'm going to shade the front, and you tell me what kind of solid you will see.
Ma'am, third.
Yes, this is the front.
And third is front.
If we look at it from the top, ऊपर से देखेंगे तो आपको क्या नजर आएगा?
Ma'am, first.
Second.
This will be on the top. 3 squares. Can you see the orange part? Orange shaded part. There will be 3 squares that you can see from the top. 2 squares थोड़े low height पे हैं, एक square थोड़ा ऊपर है, but there are 3 squares that you will be able to see. अगर आप किसी
Okay,
object
ma'am.
को ऊपर से देख रहे हो ना, if you're looking at any object from the top, you cannot tell how high it is. Everything appears flat.
Ma'am,
So you-
from the side, it's the second part.
Yes, obviously
we
the
look at
third option left is the side view. If I had to shade it, if you want me to show it by shading, this is the side view. ये side view है.
And-
2 squares. Tell me if it is clear now. Anyone who could not
Oh.
understand what we are doing.
Ma'am, yes, it's clear now.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
clear.
Let's get back to the first part here. First part में बताओ जो picture 1 है, वो क्या indicate कर रही है?
And number first front.
Ma'am, first.
Front.
Yeah.
The second one,
It's indicating
And third.
side view.
it is indicating side view. The third one,
And third one, it is top view.
third part. Now this one's a little complicated. Yes, Samira? Unmute beta. Samira, please. Gunjan, please.
Ma'am, I got third one.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
yes,
Ma'am, me
I-
too.
Sorry, Gunjan, please unmute beta. I mistakenly unmuted you again. हाँ जी बेटा बोलो.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell the answer.
Which part?
Ma'am, first and second.
Okay. Okay. You could do for the third one.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try.
Okay. Let me help you with this. For the front, I'm going to shade the front. आपको सामने से कितने स्क्वायर्स नजर आएंगे? ये फ्रंट है, ये भी फ्रंट है, ये भी फ्रंट है.
Ma'am, second.
Second.
This is the front.
Ma'am, the second one.
Okay,
Ma'am.
let's. Yes, Chirag.
Ma'am, I want to ask.
Side.
But it's
Yes,
easy. It's not difficult.
Yes, Chirag.
Ma'am, I cannot understand the second question.
Try these.
Yes, ma'am.
The second part or the second question?
Ma'am, no, 15.4's second question.
Okay. You are given the shadows of some objects. You have to identify that object.
Like in circle, we have to identify that it is sphere.
Which solid will give you a circular shadow?
Okay.
Coming back to this part, try these part third from the top.
Ma'am, third.
Third one.
Ma'am, third.
Okay. What
Ma'am,
about this
first
side?
one. Ma'am, first one
Ma'am,
side view, second part front view, and third part top view.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
May I answer fourth one, please?
Okay, good, Simran, go ahead. From the
Ma'am,
front,
first. Ma'am, for the front, third one. Ma'am, for the top, it's second one. And for the side is the first one.
side is the first.
First one.
First one.
साइड से आपको सिर्फ एक रेक्टेंगल नजर आएगा, ऊपर से दो रेक्टेंगल्स नजर आएंगे बिकॉज दो स्लंटिंग साइड्स हैं, सो यू विल बी एबल टू सी टू रेक्टेंगल्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Ashit.
please tell fourth part again. Ma'am, I didn't understand it.
ये जो आपको ट्रायंगल सी शेप दी है,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, pyramid type.
फ्रंट से आपको देखो ये ट्रायंगल नजर आएगा, सामने से बिल्कुल राइट ट्रायंगल नजर आएगा. साइड से अगर आप व्यू करोगे तो आपको रेक्टेंगल नजर आएगा.
Ma'am, but ma'am, ये तो just slanting है ना, तो फिर shadow भी slanting आएगी.
नहीं आप साइड से जब व्यू करोगे आपको वो शेप जो है, सरफेस जो है वो कौन सी है, ओनली आइडेंटिफाई द सरफेस. वो किस तरह से रखी हुई है आपको ये नहीं देखना.
Okay, ma'am.
It's a rectangle, it's slanting. Slanting is how it is placed. You don't have to tell कि वो slanting है या वो standing है. It is a rectangle though.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ashit.
Ma'am, I have raised hand to give answer of third part.
Okay, I think we have completed that. Tell me if everyone has written the answer for this one because we are going to.
Done.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, question number 2. Question number 2, you have to draw a view of each solid as seen from the direction indicated by the arrow. Arrow आपको बता रहा है कि कौन सी डायरेक्शन से हम इसको व्यू करेंगे और उधर से अगर व्यू करेंगे तो आपको कैसी शेप नजर आएगी. ठीक है. For the first, I'm going to help you out.
And for the first rectangle.
Ma'am, yes, rectangle.
We will be able to. ये 3 squares.
Angle.
A rectangle with 3 squares.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? 3 squares joined together vertically. 3 squares joined together vertically will form the view from this side. If you want, we can draw
Side.
that. Let's quickly draw it.
Ma'am, we have to draw it also.
Yes, you have to draw. The question says draw.
And I am not able to guess what will be the answer of second. When I think so, it will also be rectangle.
I'm going to shade so that you can actually understand. Wait, let me just finish drawing this and then we can continue. Okay, so this is how it will be. This is the answer for the first part. Second part हम इसको side से देख रहे हैं. तो use your
It's a triangle.
imagination.
Ma'am, it
Triangle.
is like the third first part.
Triangle.
No, not a triangle. देखो
And
आपको
then
इधर एक बैकग्राउंड पे स्क्वायर नजर आएगा, एक इधर स्क्वायर नजर आएगा, एक ये इधर वाला स्क्वायर नजर आएगा, जो हिडन फेसेस हैं, जो फेसेस
ma'am,
हिडन
it
है.
will show rectangle only then.
3 squares forming an L.
Ma'am,
Then
yes,
it
ma'am,
will
third
be-
first part. Ma'am, it is like
And
third
like
first
it
part.
will be, firstly we will draw L and then we will shape the squares.
Yes, you can draw the squares. 3 squares in L format.
Ma'am, second answer is square.
No.
Ma'am,
Third
I have
answer is,
done the
And
answer.
it will view like this.
I'm not able to see your screen.
Ma'am, kindly see it will view like this.
Beta, the drawing is not clear. I can see your book, but the drawing is not clear. It will be better if you share it to me on WhatsApp. I'm just going to draw alongside with me.
And now see I hit darken it.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, it will be like L. Ma'am, like this only. Just we have to cut one square from this. Like this.
Let's do the last one. From this side, we will be able to see this, this, and
And
this.
that right L.
Right
And we
side.
will opposite the direction
Invert.
of this L.
Invert हो जाएगा, जैसे मिरर में invert हो जाती है image, वैसे invert हो जाएगा. Left becomes right, right becomes left.
Left.
So you will have a square, one square below this. Like this.
And like this.
Fine? Yes, correct. Second one was a little tricky because वो hidden है पीछे. तो identify करना आपको कितने faces hidden है. 3 squares which are hidden. एक top पे है, ऊपर वाला एक square hidden है और नीचे वाले 2 squares hidden है. Yes, Angadmeet. Angadmeet. Gunjanpreet.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain it again as I was disconnected?
Which part?
Ma'am, this question 2.
We are given these solids. उन्होंने arrow लगा के indicate किया है कि अगर आप इस direction से solid को view करते हो, जिस direction में arrow है, उस direction से इस solid को अगर आप view करते हो, तो जो view होगा वो किस तरह का होगा? What I have done is I have actually shaded the faces जो हमें नजर आएंगे arrow वाली direction से, so that we can draw this picture. In the first part, from the direction of the arrow, I will be able to see these 3 squares. ये 3 squares होंगे vertically एक दूसरे के साथ attached. And this is the shape that I will be able to see. Same way, if you look at the
Excuse me,
last
Okay,
one,
ma'am.
last one, if you observe, जिस तरफ से उन्होंने arrow mark किया है, मैंने वो purple color से shade कर दिया. कौन-कौन से मुझे faces नजर आएंगे. All those faces put together form this shape. Fine?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sia.
Ma'am, there is only 3D shapes. So, ma'am, I have listened. Oh, ma'am, I have also listened about 4D shapes.
4D shapes.
Ma'am, yes.
I'm not sure. 4-dimensional shapes. Yes, there are. Actually, there are shapes with multiple dimensions. हमारे पास depend करता है कि जो हमारे, you cannot call it actually. It will depend on the measures. उसकी size जो हम measure करेंगे. Simply अगर इसको broadly हमें classify करना हो ना, 3D shapes में हमारे पास polyhedrons आते हैं जिनको आप prisms भी बोलते हो. prisms and pyramids. So depending on prisms and pyramids, वो कितने faces से बने हैं, you could call it 4-dimensional or 5-dimensional. This is what I think. But I will get back to your question once again. एक बार मुझे cross check करने दो. If it is the same, if there is any difference, I will let you know. No problem, Gunjanpreet. It's all right.
Okay, ma'am.
No, Parth, you can complete it in the book. You can complete this in the book. Completely fine. Wait a minute, Anad. Wait a minute. Just a moment. Yes, Anad.
मैम प्लीज मैम सी माय मैम मैम आपने
What?
सेकंड की थर्ड पार्ट का
Yes,
मैम
that's
इट इज
fine.
करेक्ट
Have you drawn it with pen?
पेंसिल
Okay, that's correct. Can you show me the other one? Move your camera to the left.
1 minute मैम आई विल डार्क इट मैम इट कांट विजिबल मैंने वो दूसरी पेंसिल से किया था मैं डार्क पेंसिल है मेरे पास एक
That's correct. Correct. But when you have drawn it with free hand, आपने free hand से draw किया है. Exam में जब आएगा user ruler. Okay?
यस मैम
So that completes your chapter number 15. I hope everyone has drawn this and completed it.